Are you struggling to display and organize your WooCommerce products effectively? Introducing JustTables, a powerful tool designed to effortlessly organize and showcase your list of products in your WooCommerce store. With JustTables, you can finally say goodbye to cluttered product lists. Display your WooCommerce products in a sleek and modern table layout. Using search and filter, customers can instantly browse products and find what they're looking for. Pagination options allows you to control the number of products displayed on each page. But wait, there's more. With its highly customizable features, you can include or exclude products by vendors, display based on availability, choose your favorite colors, show or hide specific data, and export tables in PDF or CSV formats to share with your team or clients, all with a few simple clicks. Get JustTables today and take control of your product showcase like never before.